up, guys? It's Kyle Psaty from BostonInnovation.com. I'm here with Chris Allen from Infrared5, and we're demoing the new Trench Run game. This is coming out soon, right, Chris?
Yes, exactly. It'll be coming out within the next couple of weeks.
Okay, cool. And now this runs on the new Brass Monkey technology, which we're going to be talking more about in a second. But so you know, I'm going to be controlling it with this iPhone. Chris Allen is the CEO of Infrared5, a company started in 2007 and based in Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts. The company employs 15 people, most of whom are developers. Infrared5 made the original Star Wars Trench Run game, which you can find at starwars.com. The company's motto is, yeah, we can build that, but they don't just build video games. They've worked on projects for major companies like Adobe and FedEx. Their specialty is awesome user experience. That's why they built Brass Monkey. There we go, I'm finally getting the hang of this thing. It feels a lot like a Wii controller, only a little bit more responsive. Chris says the worst lag you'll experience using Brass Monkey is about 30 milliseconds. Chris and his team are the same minds behind the open source project called Red5, which is essentially a hacker's version of Adobe Flash. Brass Monkey has demoed at the Game Developers Conference as well as E3, which happened recently. You can play this game at starwars.com. A new version of it will come out around the same time that Brass Monkey hits the Apple App Store. A silent film, all the dialogue is written out at the bottom of the screen.
Alright, so second I load up the main screen, right? This same as the other game you saw there, connect to the device. This turns into kind of a gamepad, so you get fire on your right, slow motion. This is kind of a force power, toggle the view to different things, and then you can pause the game.
It's Kyle again from BostonInnovation.com. We're here with Chris Allen from Infrared5, and we're going to be talking about the new Brass Monkey technology that he's developing over here in Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts. Chris,
Right.
Can you tell us a little bit about what is Brass Monkey?
Okay, yeah, so Brass Monkey is a software that allows you to connect to multiple devices over a local Wi-Fi to create really fast interactions and kind of control type experiences. It can be set up in a one-to-many relationship or also kind of a many-to-many. Where you can have multiple phones interacting with one screen, for example. But you know, it's an SDK, which we're going to be releasing for developers to create experiences like what we showed with the Star Wars Trench Run.
The first game that you can use this tool on is Trench Run, which you guys developed in-house.
Yeah.
But this is going to have a software developer's kit tacked onto it, so anybody who
out there
develops
can build
games
something like this.
can make something that's controlled with the iPhone or the iPod Touch.
Yeah.
And you can do
it's
it on
soon to do with Android too.
Android also, and you can do it on an iPad also.
Correct, yeah.
Cool, awesome. So tell us a little bit about some potential applications that you guys envision for Brass Monkey that you might want to connect.
So I mean, the most obvious thing right now, because we've seen stuff like this, like with the latest Scrabble game from EA, where they can actually use the tile racks on their iPhones and stuff. So that's a kind of a use case which is pretty similar to what we're doing with a Star Wars game, although that's more of an arcade kind of controller.
Sure.
So gaming is a big part of it, right? But that's not the only thing. We're also, imagining that advertisers are going to be able to use this for kind of in-store experiences or like kiosks where you can interact with them directly. Imagine walking by, kind of like what you do at night when a store is closed, you do window shopping, right? But imagine window shopping where you can actually interact with the displays and change them out and maybe buy something directly off of your phone there. I mean, so that's one other use case. Other ones are like, large billboards like what you see in Times Square.
Yeah.
We could imagine interactive apps where people are kind of interacting with the billboard, maybe taking a picture and then uploading it directly to their real time.
Or maybe at like a football arena or something like that. Upload
Absolutely,
it
the
to
jumbotron screen, doing live polling probably,
Yeah.
or like quizzes or all that kind of thing. So,
oh my gosh.
yeah, I mean the possibilities are pretty open-ended. We see it using the beauty of this is it's really works across many different verticals. Everything from the medical industry to sporting, entertainment, retail,
cool.
everything else. So.
And the cool thing, the really unique thing about Brass Monkey, I think that people need to understand, is that it can sync your iPhone directly to your browser. You don't have to have a downloadable application or something.
That's right. Yeah, I mean, there are other, uses, other controllers out there that already exist, and the key difference with what we're doing is that it does run right in the browser, either interacting with a Flash player or Unity 3D player. We're also looking at HTML5 implementations as well, but
very cool.
Right now, not many browsers other than, actually, I think the only one that supports this is Chrome as WebSockets, which we need in order to do this. So.
Okay.
But that'll come, that's
it's all down the line, and it was all made right here in Boston. And you guys got to check out Trench Run as soon as it comes out. It'll be on the App Store soon, right?
That's right. Yeah, within the next couple of weeks.
Very cool. Check it out. You can get the app at the App Store. Go to StarWars.com.
That's right.
Click the game. Play it right with your iPhone. You'll love the experience. Nothing like it. Check it out. Learn more about Brass Monkey at brassmonkey.infrared5.com.